Very well struck. Nobody's going to catch that. Wow, he's picked the bones of that one. Shouts of catch it, but nobody will. Plenty happening out there. Fielding captain needs to calm his bowlers down before the umpire interferes. Nobody's chasing that. That's going to be a terrific four. Lines. That's a six. The power is extraordinary. Picked and deposited out of the park for a six. That's high in the air. Oh, he's thrown it. Oh, that's beautifully done by the batsman. Exquisite timing. Well, the batsman sees that one early. Wonderful sound of the bat, and that's a six. Goes to a splendid 50, good innings, and gets a grand applause. No chance for any field. Good shot for a single. Batsman will get extra runs as an... Tremendous hit this. That's a crowd catcher. That's a six. That's hit hard. That's hit for six. That's a great shot. That's a six. The power is extraordinary.